Hey Justin, this is Joe with First on Top SEO. I was just contacting you. I came across your business over off of Industry Drive over by the police station here in New Braunfels. So I thought I would look up your website, see if maybe we could help you out in gaining more customers. And by how we do that is by getting your website from not being visible to the first page of the Google search engine, and getting people really seeing your website and targeting those people that are looking for your service. And statistics show that 85% of anyone that's looking for any type of service, businesses, or anything like that will only use those business found on the first page of the Google search engine. And so that's what we're going to try to get your help you out to get your website to the first page as well. And so I got just a couple of tips to help you get you on your way and getting your website ranked. And the first one I just wanted to show you is what Google calls the H1 header. And the H1 header really gives information on where Google's going to categorize your website according to the business, the type of business, and also the city that the business is in. And so when you pop up your website here, you have no header tag showing anything like that. And I have this tool that I use that shows what Google sees whenever they're looking at your header tag or your H1 header, and it's showing that you don't have any type of heading there. And like I showed you, it's just that picture there. And so the best thing to do when it comes to a heading or a header is, like I mentioned, to put first what city you're trying to rank for, or what city you're in, and what type of business you're ranking for. And so the best thing to put on your website, let's go back over there, instead of this welcome or anything like that, the best thing to get Google's attention would be to put the city first, so like New Braunfels, and then next put air conditioning, HVAC, mechanical, anything like that that will get Google's attention to know what your business is about, and what city you're trying to rank for. And so that's the first thing I wanted to show you. The second thing is something similar to that, and it's what Google calls the metadata. And now the metadata is simply just like the header, but it goes on the outside of the website. Hold on, let me go back to that. And so I went ahead and picked out the top business that is on the first page when you look up New Braunfels HVAC. And the first one that pops up is Legacy air conditioning. And now the metadata is simply what everyone sees whenever they click on to a certain type of or certain search. And all these websites have them. Every website will. And it's just these blue little smidget of information right here that Google sees. And so we see that Legacy air conditioning is on the first spot there. They're on the top. And the reason why is because, as you can see, they have the city name plus what they do in the business name: Legacy Air Conditioning and Heating, proudly serving New Braunfels. And that goes with Myers too. They have the city there, what they do, and so on and so on. And so what Google sees when they look at your metadata is, let me show you, is my site. My site is the title of your metadata. So obviously Google has no idea what type of service you do or what city you're from. So the best thing to do, as we saw on the other websites, would be to put, and the best thing is to put the city name first, to put New Braunfels, and then put air conditioning service, HVAC service, anything like that, so Google knows what city you're trying to rank for and what type of business. And so these are just two things that you can do. If you could do them on your own, that would be excellent. You could get your business website ranked higher and more traffic going to it, and in return more customers calling your phone for your services. If this is something you can do, that's great. If you need some help, feel free to reply back, and I would love to help your website to get to the first page and get more business going to you. So thank you. That's all I have for today. You have yourself a good day. If you have any questions, just reply back, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you.